always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm in the kitchen this morning because I am making a Ragu Bolognese keto sauce. As you can see, I've got this magnificent beef Ragu sauce on the boil, and it's a great meat dish for your zucchini noodles, for your vegetables and everything that's keto. So I've got this on the boil. It's been simmering for the last hour and a half. So if you're interested to see me in how I made this particular casserole, then please keep watching. Okay, so let's get started. For this recipe you're going to need 2 onions and 4 cloves of garlic, chives, 500 grams of washed cube beef, coriander, cummin, chili flakes, 2 beef cubes, so therefore we're not putting any salt, some chives, fennel seeds, and my own tomato puree from my garden of last year. So what we're going to do now is start the Ragu keto recipe. So in a heavy base casserole, I'm just going to add some extra virgin olive oil because we're going to brown the meat first of all. So I'm going to add the meat. Now this is great for accompaniment to, you can have rice with it, potatoes with it, spaghetti with it, any kind of pasta, but we are going to have this on its own with vegetables. So now I'm going to add the onions and the garlic, some chives, some fennel seeds, give it a good mix, some cumin, about a teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of coriander, teaspoon of chili flakes, just to give it some heat. And I've dissolved the beef stock cubes in some water and adding that. Tomato. I forgot to mention earlier that I am going to add some paprika as well. About a teaspoon and a half of paprika, and also some black pepper. Now just for flavour, I'm also going to add a, say, tablespoon of ghee. So now all I'm going to do is put a lid on it and let this stew away for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, and then we'll come and see the finished product. Now I've put a lid on it and I'm going to let this stew away, simmer away for another hour and a half to 2 hours. I'm just about to shut this off now. As you can see, the dish is completely broken down. It's delicious, which you can add vegetables to or any other side dish that you want. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make this magnificent meatball Ragu tomato based bolognese. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you click on the notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I've got to go now, so much on the go today. So until my next video, thanks for watching. Bye for now.